Joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details. Rainik, we're shifting our focus with that, viewers, to what's transpiring in Mumbai. Mumbai is, of course, inundated by heavy rainfall that has been lashing over the last few days. You can see those visuals on your screens now. Schools and colleges are to remain shut in the city. The BMC has made this announcement that all schools and colleges in the city will remain shut. The civic body has also urged citizens to come out of their homes only if necessary. The Indian Meteorological Department has also issued a red alert for Mumbai, projecting heavy rainfall. Of course, the city has been battered over the last few days. IMD still forecasts cloudy sky and heavy rainfall today as well. Joining me on the broadcast live from Mumbai itself is my colleague Pratmesh. Pratmesh, what are the scenes like on the ground? I can see some sort of flooding behind you. We can still see vehicular movement, so it seems that people are getting out of their houses. But of course, now a red alert has been issued. How bad was the flooding yesterday, and what are you expecting today?
Yes, correct. Yesterday, as the flooding was really very bad, as in Mumbai, the continuous rainfall was been happening in Mumbai, and currently I am standing at Hindmata Dadar, and now the rain has stopped in Mumbai, and the traffic movement is also normally. And also yesterday, if I talk about, so yesterday locals were local train has also got affected, but today local trains are also running smoothly and on the time as well. Just 2 or 3 minutes delay, all the local trains are running smoothly. As you can see, the traffic is also now running smoothly. Currently this is the Dadar East area where currently I am standing, and here as yesterday also, if I talk about at this moment, so yesterday also here around like 2 feet of water was been water logging was been reported over here, but now today there is no water logging such type of reported in Mumbai, and all over Mumbai the rain has been stopped. As yesterday we have seen the way BMC has given issued an advisory that if you are having the work, then only you can come out of the house, or you come out of this and you go to work. So it has been said that now the schools and colleges are being also been remain closed for the today, as the IMD has given a red alert till the 8:30 till the morning. 8:30 in the morning of the heavy rain. So this is the now IMD has also given the red alert in the Mumbai till 8:30. So we need to look that till the 8:30 till the morning what's the situation will be in the Mumbai, as well as now the rain has been stopped. As from the since the morning the rain has not been reported in the Mumbai, but the Mumbai is under the red alert, and from the BMC as well it has been given that if you are having the more of the urgent work, then only come out of the house. Otherwise, please stay at the home, because your safety is our first priority. According to the Mumbai Police as well, Mumbai Police has also issued the advisory, the same advisory as the BMC has issued, that if you have the work, then only you come out of the house. Otherwise, please don't come out of the house, because your safety is the first priority. And even the BMC officials are also working on the ground in the Mumbai, as somewhere if the rain takes place and the water logging has been reported, there the pumps are also been deployed over here in Mumbai. Yes.
Indeed, you've stated that the BMC is working round the clock in Mumbai. What other measures have they put in place apart from these pumps?
Yes, correct. As BMC officials are on the round, continuously on the round in Mumbai in different types of area. Like if I talk about Andheri subway, if I talk about Khar subway, these are the particular area where the water logging is reported every time. So here the deployment, the motor, the pump deployments are also been there given, and also the sewage pipelines have also been cleaning has been started by the BMC, because the main reason is that the sewage pipelines has been choked. That's why the water logging situation has been there in Mumbai. So now the BMC is also cleaning the sewage pipelines as well, so that if the rain happens in Mumbai, then the water should flow immediately and the water logging shouldn't be happen. So these are the on ground situation in the by the BMC as well. The BMC workers are also now on the duty as well. As yesterday also we have seen the way the way rain has been happening in Mumbai. So after this, now the BMC as well as the Mumbai police as well as the traffic police are also on the standby mode, and also the CM Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde has also stated that if you are having work, then only come out of the, otherwise please stay at your home. As well as the Deputy CM of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis also tweeted and said that it's a tough time for the Mumbaikars as well, because there is a heavy rain in Mumbai, as the IMD has issued a red alert till the 8:30 in the morning today, as we need to look that like what rains, if the rains happens or not, we need to look at it. Yes.
All right, Prathamesh, with that, I would like to thank you for joining us live and sharing all those updates with our viewers. We'll continue to track further news